Learn about the Sunday, the biggest and brightest star in our solar system. Say hello to Mercury, the smallest planet, and find out how close it is to the Sunday. Explore Venus, the super hot planet, and its thick clouds. Discover Earth, our very own home, with its oceans, land, and atmosphere. Meet Mars, the red planet, and its dusty surface. Say hi to Jupiter, the giant planet, with its swirling storms and huge red. Meet Saturn, famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rocks. Get to know Uranus, the sideways planet, and its icy blue color. Learn about Neptune, the windy planet, and its beautiful deep blue shade.
While Pluto is no longer considered a planet, it's still an interesting part of our solar system.